Now I will try to show you how we will do this comparative auscultation of lungs. How we will do it? Firstly, we must find apex of lung. Compare apex of lung. Upper side from clavicle. Next, medial clavicular line. After third intercostal space located hard, that's why we will not compare. And we will compare only upper side and lower side. Next, we will ask question. Yes, stay like this. Axillary anterior. Medial. Posterior. Next, we will compare scapular line. Scapular line from upper side. Interscapular area, paravertebralis line. Yes. We will when we compare paravertebral line, we will put our finger in vertical position. After upper side of scapula, like this. Put our hands like this. Horizontal position. During the examination, in both sides, in both area, we listened good lung sounds. It's same, without pathological condition. Okay. Topographical percussion of lungs. Purposes of topographical percussion to find borders of lung. Where are located borders? Upper borders and lower borders of lung. Firstly, we will start to upper side. We must check, we must find apex of lung. How? Three centimeters from clavicle. Three centimeters from clavicle. Back side. From suprascapular area, we will go to promontorium. Which processus spinaedeus of vertebra number 7. Promontorium. Suprascapular area. From suprascapular. Here. Okay? Upper side located in front of, or how I can say, near of promontorium. Okay, in one line. Same, in one line. Okay, next. We have cranic field, yes? You know, cranic area. What area? How we can check cranic area? Musculus trapezius, you know, yes, musculus trapezius. Here. I will put in middle side of musculus trapezius. After we will percussion from middle side to medial. Here. medial points. Yes? After, go to lateral side from medial. Here. Cranic area sizes 7 centimeters in normal. 7 centimeters. Next, here. Seven centimeters. Same. Next step, we will find borders from linea parsternalis, dextra. When I check second intercostal space, I will do like this. Clavicula is like my finger, yes? We didn't put our finger in this area, we can use clavicula, like finger. Okay? Which ribs? Fifth ribs, yes? Okay. Do you have marks? So, I found. Fifth ribs. Okay. Next, linea media clavicularis dextra. Which ribs? Six ribs. Okay. Stay like this. Axillary anterior line. Which intercostal space? Seven intercostal space. 7 intercostal space. Linea axillary media. Which intercostal space? 8. Next, posterior. Which intercostal space? 9. Yes? 9. Yes. Down. Hands. Put like this, your hands. Cross your hands. Upper side of scapula we don't because sounds heavy. Okay? Heaven sound. Here, have. Which intercostal space? 10. Next, paravertebral line. Paravertebral line. When I percuss paravertebral line, I put my finger like horizontal, not vertical. Horizontal. Okay? Which intercostal space?
11.
In left side, we will start to find borders from linea axillaris anterior. Because here have hard. same area and paravertebral line. Okay. During the percussion, we find borders, and it's same, yes, in two array it's same borders in one line. When we auscultated of lungs, auscultation of lungs, for us to need necessary phonendoscopes, yes, stethoscopes. You know lines. Now we have two type of auscultation: comparative and topographic. Comparative auscultation. How we do it? Oh. Ask to patient, exhale, inhale. Breath. Okay, breath. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Okay. Okay. Next. 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 When I do comparative auscultation, I must compare from third intercostal space. After I will compare upper side and lower side. Understand? So. Next. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Stay like this. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Posterior. Please turn. Опусти. Да. Cross your hands. With our left hands, we must fix the patient in opposite side. Fix it, okay? From right side we listen, from left side we with our hands we must fix in opposite. Okay? Stop. We have two types of sounds: vesicular sounds and tracheobronchial sounds. Vesicular sounds we will listen in all of area, upper parenchyma of lungs, yes? Upper tissue. Tracheobronchial sounds we can listen in this area. I will show you. So like this. Breath. Okay, breath. Next. We can listen in a backside when have bifurcation of trachea, where are located large bronchus. Inhale, exhale.